using Windows Remote Assistance. Okay, the Windows Remote Assistant involves sending an invitation to somebody asking for help. That person can then click an attachment to the email to accept and access your computer system. Move around your computer and use various tools to pinpoint and fix any problems you might be having. Always make sure that you know and trust any person who you allow to access your computer using remote assistance. Okay? Now the remote assistance, we're gonna access that using the control panel again. Here's the control panel. Okay, now under the control panel, see, we are gonna go to system, and then under system, see, we have view amount of RAM and process speeds, allow remote access, launch remote assistant, see the name of this computer, and then device manager. Okay, so we're gonna open the launch remote assistant. Okay, so basically this option is to invite somebody. Sometimes we have problems with our computer. If we have a friend that it could maybe help us, because we could just go ahead and open the Windows Remote Assistant. Okay, now from here, see, I'm gonna invite somebody that I trust to help me. Okay, and then I have three options: save this invitation as a file, use email to send invitation, or use Easy Connect. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the email to send invitation. Okay, my default program is just gonna open up. Okay, so let's say that I'm gonna send this to myself. Okay, I'm gonna send myself that invitation. Okay, and all I need to do is type in the email address, the person, and then click on send. Okay, now I could just go ahead and contact the person that I'm sending this invitation. Okay, and when this person receives that invitation, they're just gonna open that invitation. Yes, they're just gonna open that invitation, and then they are gonna be prompt for a password. Okay, so this guy could either call me on the phone, or maybe using the Windows Live Messenger and say, okay, this is my password. So I'm just gonna give him the password. Okay, T M B H Q C as in zebra, X as in X-ray, S as in Sam, and then the number 697. Okay, so right now the application is just waiting for say this other person to connect to my computer using that password. Okay, so I give him the password, and then when he tries to connect to my computer, see, I'm gonna get this message. Would you like to allow Alfredo? Just giving me the name of the computer to connect to your computer. I'm gonna click on yes. Okay, and now this guy on the other computer is gonna be able to see my computer, my desktop, and basically from there, see, it's gonna help me. Now, okay, so from this window I can pause, I can also chat with him or use the settings. Okay, now let me check on the settings. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically this person will be able to help me with this computer. Okay, I can also pause We'll continue. Okay, so resize that window, etc. Okay. Now the code that was created is only for one-time use. When I close it, that's it. You won't be able to see my screen anymore. The application is just gonna close it this time. Okay. If we try to open that invitation again, I mean he needs a password and I don't have the password. Okay. So that is the remote assistance on Windows 8. Okay, we open the control panel. From the control panel, we have the launch remote assistance. Okay, now this time I'm going to use the allow remote assistance. See the name of this computer. The name of this computer, Alfredo Acer. Now back to the control panel. System unsecured. And then we have launch remote assistant. Okay, now again I'm going to be using the email. And there, you just need to send in that email to that person and that's with the invitation. Okay, so here's the invitation. Okay. Yes, I want to close that remote assistant. Okay, so it is under system, and then we have launch remote assistant. Okay, now this time we're gonna use this other option. Use Easy Connect. Okay, when I use the Easy Connect, see, on the other computer. Okay, the other person is also gonna open the same. Okay, the same program. Okay, once she's opened the remote assistant, using the same application, and then again, see that person is gonna be control the password. B K 4 F Y 8 Y 8 W A B B B G L. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the other computer to be able to see my screen. Okay, good. Okay. And there you go. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the person to connect to the computer and give me some assistance. Okay, I'm gonna close that. remote assistant. Okay, now that is using the Windows remote assistant. Thank you, and bye bye.